Hello, beautiful traders. Now I'm going to be revealing to you guys how I'm able to swing trade XAUSD, which is called gold, conveniently, right? This is my strategy as I'm talking to right now. This is a live market as I'm recording this video, right? And these are trade I've been able to take, right? Like I tell you, my strategy enabled me to swing trade and day trade, right? So while we are catching, taking profit here, where because we have people in our academy who are not swing traders, who are also day traders, right? So, but the overall direction is a very long-term direction, right? So now this is a particular trade I'm currently still running, right? And if you look at it right now, we've been able to milk the market. We've been buying gold from here, we continue from here, right? So right now, what I do, number one thing I do is that I want to look at the market direction, right? I'll come to the weekly time frame, all right, to come and understand what is gold doing on the higher time frame, right? Why? Because I will marking my key levels on the weekly time frame. Then from the weekly time frame, anytime the market comes to my weekly key levels, I'm going to be taking my trade from that key level to the next weekly key levels, right? Now, if you look at this chart right now, everything you see here, all the key level you see me draw here are from the weekly time frame, you can see, and I have them highlighted here, right? That's number one. So when I go to 15 minutes or 1 hour and I found that price has trailed on top of my key levels, I'm going to take that buy or sell to the next key level. That is the reason why you see whenever I mark chart, I mark from the higher time frame. Now, if you look the sell from here, price sold from here and go to this next key level. You can imagine you swing trading gold from here to here, right? And also you can see it also get to the next key level. So from here, price didn't go further, right? In fact, it eventually went more further. All right, you can see here. All right. So for me, I noticed that the market was having a support around this structure here, right? So this is the area where I've entered my buy entry, and I will still be holding even up until price get to this next weekly zone here, which is quite easy, right? Now let me show you how I'm able to catch this trade that we are currently in, right? Now on the 1 hour time frame, what did I notice? I noticed that the market came to this my weekly key level, right? We tap on this weekly key level, all right, and price gave me a reaction here. There's a weak reaction, right? Weak rejection rather. So what I did is that I mark my resistance level that I noticed on that zone, right? Now here is a resistance level for me. So I mark this level. So I wanted price to go back, all right, back to this level, all right, not as a resistance, but it should go back as a fake out, right? Now what price did is that price broke below this support, right, and later went back. Did you see? Later went back. So upon this breakout and retest, that was how we got in on this trade. If you wanted to get to see how we're able to take advantage of this trade, even on the 15-minute time frame, you're going to be seeing that that level here, right? You can see that I'm taking down from up from weekly down to 15 minutes. So what happened right now, you can see the breakout. So price broke out of this level here, right? Then we entered upon this retest, right? Upon this retest, I already knew price is going to be ascending up. Why? Because number one thing you want to notice is that watch how the market didn't take out this low. You can see here we have higher lows, right? This is one of the criteria or pointers to know when the market is about to break out, right? I teach more of these inside the what academy, right? If you want to be part of what you want to learn how to be able to smash gold every day, just as we're doing right now, you want to be part of what we're doing. You can see after price got here, this was about 1 to 4 weeks to the world, right? Now price broke this level again. Upon the pullback, we entered again for a buy. Did you see? Price got here. All right. So now we also held even till this level here. Why people were taking sales? We are looking for opportunity to go for long trade, right? So price went up. I was supposed to go in again upon this pullback, but price didn't get to this support. Rather, it pushed back up. Did you see? So now we took this trade from here. So how were we able to catch this trade? Look at this trend line. Price also was giving us what? A higher low. You can see higher low, higher low, higher low. So we knew upon the breaker it's going to be massive. You can see how price broke out. Boom, it was massive. So right now we're waiting for price to also come back to this level. We're going again on another journey, and that's how we're going to be making it to this next weekly zone, right? It's quite simple, but if you want to learn more of this, you want to send us a DM, let's bring you on board and also show you how you can also be catching this type of market. It's beyond structures, beyond price action, it's beyond just chart analysis. This has a lot to do with psychology, right? But if you found value in this video, make sure you like it and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, right? The link to join my Telegram community will be in the video description below. And if you want to join our mentorship, feel free to smash the link in the video description below. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. My name is Godwin. Peace out.